katsu, but we forgot the thomp.
Salad. So we're gonna use the pots.
Yes. Oh my god. I totally forgot that.
Is this clean or should we clean it?
I think it's clean. Cooking for our friend.
Alright guys, first off we got the chicken thighs because chicken thighs are more tender and juicy.
You want to roll it out?
Oh, we can beat it with that. I saw someone on YouTube do that.
Okay. Hey.
Oh yeah. This chicken fruit? Yeah.
Become man!
It's like, oh no.
Dude, we're like cooking influencers.
Oh, that like worked.
Yo!
Did that not work? I feel like that's working better than the. What the heck? I think he's trolling.
Anyways.
I hope he's trolling. Guys, this is one breast or one thigh. Look at how many more we have.
Yeah, cooking. This is their secret recipe. Yeah. Oh man, it smells good already. Try the third.
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh no.
Let's go! Let's go, Aujin.
I don't think it's working.
Oh!
Alright guys, we got our. Oh wait, we need to add the salt into the eggs. But we have our.
Chicken with some fuse.
Yeah. Our flour. We're gonna.
Was it not the eggs?
No, it's flour. Wait a second.
No, it's eggs, flour.
It's flour. Oh no.
What's wrong?
I don't know. It just feels disgusting.
Failed on rule like number 1. Oh, hey.
So, you guys made it. What's yours? You just text her.
Okay. That one. Yeah. What just happened there?
We're influencers. We got the aura with us now.
We got some corn oil. Because the tutorial told us that.
It's a tutorial. That's the recipe.
The recipe. Yeah. This is gonna make the second batch. Oh! Alright. Going in. Number 1.
Dude, I wanna look this breading up by here so bad.
Away from you so it doesn't burn. Oh yeah. Oh! Look at this, guys. You see that beautiful golden brown crust?
Oh yeah.
Wait, there's like a small piece on the like this. Oh, look at that, guys! Oh yeah.
Alright, just take a straight bite into it. Alright, take a bite. Wait, you didn't even. You just took a straight bite. Wait, that inside though is a little concerning.
We should.
Because I can see a crack.
Should we cut into it? Oh.
Yo!
Oh, it's.
Yo, we're cooking!
Oh, it's cooked! Got this katsu sauce. Wait, you gotta taste this without the sauce first. Oh.
Oh,
Man, it sounds so juicy. Thank you. Look at that. Cheers.
cheers. good potato footage.
It's a little bit. Yeah, this don't look right. Look at these diced up potatoes, guys.
I suck at cutting onions. You make me cry so much.
I have an idea.
What should I do?
Yeah, I have an idea. Give me 1 second.
Alright.
How do I do this? What do I even do? Do I peel this fruit?
And then lay it flat.
Oh.
That's how efficient. That's how efficient we were. Aujin.
Yeah, nice.
Yo. Hold on, I need a moment. Want some now? So I can eat nutritionally?
While Justin cuts the carrots, we gotta prepare our dessert. I saw this on YouTube, but I just put this in there and put the chocolate, and hopefully it works. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update. Justin's still hard at work.
That's stupid. That's a stupid idea. It'll never work.
Alright guys, update on the chocolate. It is indeed working. Yeah.
I never once doubted you, Aujin.
Alright guys, update. We have the chocolate is almost melted now. I'm gonna try to put the strawberry, our first strawberry in. Oh,
Yo!
goodness. Alright guys, our special guest is coming now. So we have been preparing the curry here. The consistency is looking a lot better than earlier. It's really good, we tried it. We have our chicken here. Our oil is already been heated. And hetbang, the rice. We're getting it ready now. Alright, it's time to assemble.
Whoa! This tripod stand is getting
Oh sh!
Oh my gosh. Is it too hot?
No, I think it's fine. Wait, I need to put something wooden. I saw this on YouTube!
Really?
Wait, I need. Rice is going in.
Oh shoot.
Alright, guys. Our camera died. But it's okay. Okay, you can come in now.
Wait, you can see everything.
I was just trying to clean up last minute, try to keep it a secret.
Wait, don't watch here. Open that.
Alright, here we go, grand reveal. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yeah! Let's get a taste test.
Wait, eat like right here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
First bite. How is it? Yeah! Dessert time! Ta-da!
Wow, thank you.
Is it good? Yeah!
We did it!
Alright guys, almost done. We're just removing the oil now.
I'm telling you, just be more confident.
Yeah.
Oh,
But like, that was like low key what we did. Guys. I'm only dying. Yeah, sure.
alright, Men on a Mission, episode 1 complete.
Hey guys, we're gonna be out of commission for a couple days.
Yeah.
Just because we had to cook for this person.
Men on a Mission, episode 2, coming soon.
See you in the
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.